Somali government has rejected claims Wednesday it had fallen out with Djibouti following the February report which exonerated Kenya of violation of Somalia's territorial integrity. Foreign Affairs Minister Abdirizak Mohammed said Somalia still maintains good relations with Djibouti but said it had registered its protests over the February report. For Djibouti, we are two brotherly countries and we are all Somalis, so there is nothing wrong with our diplomatic relations, said Mohammed. Somalia attended the inauguration of President Ismail Omar Guelleh. Somalia had in February accused Djibouti of colluding with Kenya in writing the IGAD report which cleared Kenya of any wrongdoing. Djibouti President Omar Guelleh, the current chair of IGAD, appointed the team which conducted the fact-finding mission and subsequently did the report. Prime Minister Mohamed Roble attended the inauguration of Guelleh last month 2 days after President Mohamed Farmajo attended the inauguration of his Ugandan counterpart Yoweri Museveni. Relations between Somalia and Kenya broke down, and in December 2020 the Somali government recalled Ambassador Mohamed Ahmed Noor Tarsan, while Kenya returned its ambassador from Mogadishu. A recent visit by a Qatari envoy to Somalia had announced his resumption of relations between the two countries.